We are making New Orleans barbecue shrimp and grits. First step, we are making the grits, so get your pot hot at 70% heat. Pour in 2 cups of heavy whipping cream and let it come to a simmer. When your cream starts to simmer, slowly whisk half a cup of stone grits into it while it's simmering. This will take about 20 minutes. Add in 1 cup of grated Parmesan cheese and 1 tablespoon of butter. Then whisk it until it all melts. Add a pinch of kosher salt and a pinch of Creole seasoning to taste. Add 3 tablespoons of water to lessen the fat. Stir and set aside. Next, we're going to prepare the shrimp. Put a plastic wrap on top of the table for peeling the shrimp for easy cleaning later. This is a wild-caught Gulf shrimp with the head on because this way it carries a lot more flavor. For peeling the shrimp, start at the bottom right before the tail and peel the shell back. Now we're going to devein the shrimp. Cut the back of the shrimp, open it up a little bit, and take the shrimp's vein out. After that, season both sides with a pinch of Creole seasoning. Now get a saucepan and get it hot at 70% heat. Add 2 tablespoons of unsalted butter and 1 tablespoon of chopped garlic. Toast it for 30 seconds. Don't cook it too long as you might burn the garlic. Add in the shrimp and cook until it's brown. This will take 45 seconds to 1 minute on each side to cook. Add in 1 cup of dark lager beer, any beer will do really, 1 tablespoon of Worcestershire sauce, and 1/4 a lemon. Then you gotta reduce the liquid by half. Add half a tablespoon of hot sauce, we're using Crystal hot sauce for this recipe, and 2 ounces of unsalted butter. Next we're gonna plate. Put the grits on first, then the shrimp, add some microgreens to garnish, and it is finished.